I'm here again with another series for your baby and adult too. If you haven't seen my previous video on nutrient dense baby weight gain food, please do well to check it out. So today let me take you step by step on how to make this pap from scratch to finish. That includes measurements, preparation, production, tips and tricks, and sharing with you some nutritional value. Let's get right into it. I used 1 pint of corn. Feel free to reduce or add the measurement. Started by picking my corn to remove all the bad corn and dirt and stones. Afterwards, I went in and washed my corn thoroughly. Wash it like 2 to 3 times depending on how dirty your corn is. Moving forward, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to someone that might need it. Let's interact in the comment section. If you have anything else you want me to do, a video you want me to create for you, just let me know in the comment section. To go through a fermentation process, it will be soaked for 3 days. But here is the tip: every morning after thanking your creator for life, head straight to your corn and drain out the water, then pour in the fresh water. If not, when you get busy with something else, you might forget, and that will make your pap to have bad odor and bad taste too. So do it immediately. Another tip is, when changing the water, avoid touching the corn with your hands. Use sieve or colander to avoid interrupting the fermentation process, thereby leaving you a bigger shaft when you are sieving. You're welcome. Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Benedetta. If you are new here, hi, hello, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel we'll talk about motherhood, beauty, lifestyle vlog. So if you haven't subscribed up to this point, please hit the subscribe button. Don't be a stranger. Join this amazing family and be blessed as you do so. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. You guys are the real OGs, right? Thank you for sticking with me. I love you. On the 3rd day, drain out the water, pour in a fresh one and wash properly like 2 to 3 times. Blend with a powerful blender. Ensure your blender is strong enough for this before using it to avoid spoiling your blender. Alternatively, take it to the miller and pay them to grind it for you. That's exactly what I did. And make sure it's very smooth as silk. After grinding, you sieve with your cheesecloth. Tie your cheesecloth onto a big bucket or bowl like so. Bring water closer, a full bucket of water, because you'll be needing a lot. A small bowl for scooping, and where you'll be pouring your shaft, you should have something like this, and you sieve like so. Do it bit by bit, do not rush it. That way you'll be able to control it and will not waste your pap. If you find this video very helpful and useful, please give it a thumbs up so you can reach more people that needs it too. Also share to a nursing mom or anybody that you feel might need it. Thank you. When you are sieving, you will be able to tell when you are done with it, with the batch you are sieving, when the water passes through so easily, or when you feel so sharp on your hand. Thirdly, when you press it and the water is clear and not milky, then you know you are good to go. Remove the shaft and repeat the process till you are done. Let's talk about corn. Do you guys know there are so many colors of corn out there? Example, these ones, but they are not so popular. Find the variables in India. The most popular ones are yellow corn and white corn. Yellow corn has a bit nutritional edge over white corn. It has beta carotene, which turns into vitamin A during digestion. Vitamin A is important for vision, good for immune system, reproduction, growth and development of the body. It also helps your lungs, heart and other organs work properly. Pap is high in folic acid on the plus side, making it a perfect and safe food for expectant mothers and babies too. Everybody in general, because it also reduces risk of hypertension, improve digestion and health of the kidneys. Mamas, do you know pap also helps in increasing your breast milk supply? I bet you knew that before now. So you see, pap is not just good for your baby, but for you too. A good complementary food for your baby. Stop playing. Quick one. What are your thoughts on unsieved pap? Is it a yes or a no for you? Let me know in the comment section. Write it down. Let's interact. We are done with this. Can you see the shaft? This one is okay. I'll remove it and repeat the process. After sieving, cover and allow it to settle for like an hour. After it has settled, go back in and carefully drain the excess water. Watch closely so you know when to stop. After draining the water, I'll separate the corn because I don't want to put ginger in everything. It's at this stage that I normally put my ginger. What I did was I lost the footage. What I did was I divided the corn into two. I blended my ginger and added some water to it, then sieve it with this cheesecloth into that pap. Mix thoroughly, allow to settle for 20 minutes, then pour it in my muslin bag or pap bag. That way the flavor will still be retained in the pap. That's exactly what I did. This pap bag, you can get it in the market or you can get it from those people that sells pap. But if you don't have access to it and you cannot buy it, you can use a clean pillowcase, a pillowcase that you've not used before. You can use it, wash it properly and use it to drain your pap very well. Drain like so, make it tight and put a heavy object on top of it. At intervals, go back in and tighten it back, put a heavy object on it, and in like few hours, 2 hours or 3 hours, you have your well drained pap ready. Store in a refrigerator or alternatively in a bucket. Fill it up with water and change every morning. That way your pap will remain fresh. Don't forget, change the water every morning. Yeah, can you see our pap? Very dry, so beautiful, perfect. To prepare, pour some water in a kettle and get to boil. Take the quantity you want and mix with room temperature water. The consistency should not be too watery, else you will end up with a watery pap. Mix like so, then pour the boiling water into it in a circular motion till it thickens up. There you have it. For babies 6 months plus, add breast milk or formula and feed. No sugar or honey or nothing, please. If you feel like sweetening your baby's cereals or baby's food more, do well to check my next post. I'll be doing a video on alternative sweetener for your baby's food and how to prepare it. So turn on your notification bell so you get notified when next I post. For adults, you can take with perfect milk, sugar, anything, honey. Just enjoy. Till I come your way next time, remain blessed and fruitful. Bye.